Welcome everyone to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. I definitely want to do a huge shout out to all of our trap watchers. I want to say thank you all for the support. Really appreciate everyone believing in the content that we are curating, because we're really here to ensure that you and I are able to get in position and win. And we're not going to be here hyping up these stocks. We're not these moon boys out here that's just trying to pump up stocks, trying to get you amped and hyped about these cryptocurrencies or stocks and get you to buy in. If the market's going to give us some other type of price directions, we need to let you know that, right? We need to take care of one another. And this is what we're all about here on our channel. Now, if you want to learn more, again, the doors are open. Hit the like button. So everybody also subscribe here to the channel. One thing about us is we don't put no confusion on prices. We don't put no confusion on our price charts, and you shouldn't either. You know, the less you have on your chart, the better you're able to see the bigger picture and see where price is likely to go. So again, if you want to learn more, if you want to at least keep in the know and understand where the prices are going to go, you need to join this particular community. All right. So check this out. Bitcoin Cash is the video currently that I am doing one for. And we did a price prediction in the market in Bitcoin Cash back on July the 8th, which is right here. Okay. And we told everyone on that particular day, you know, expect the price to go lower. But we wasn't really expecting the market to take a monumental movement to the downside. We're not hiding anything from you. You can go back and look at the Bitcoin Cash video that we talked about on July the 8th. It is in the playlist. It's there. We told everyone that the weakness in Bitcoin Cash was still there and to expect the price to come all the way down to around $400. Take a look from July the 8th to July the 20th, 12 days. The market came and hit that support price that we told everyone. And it wasn't long thereafter. The next day, matter of fact, Bitcoin Cash started going higher. This is why you need to know your entry and exit. When you're going to come into the store and when you're going to walk out the store. It's very important, not just the entries. That's one thing so many people on YouTube only give you. They only tell you when to buy. They never tell you when to walk out and take the profit, right? So right there, 18.03% profitability right there for Bitcoin Cash in our price prediction. Now let's take that away. Now take a look at this, okay? Clean as day. We already know where the trap is willing to hold up the price. And we appreciate him for all of his hard work, because he gives us information every day that he comes in and creates a market. Right there, $400. We appreciate him showing us that, because that's the second time that Bitcoin Cash came and supported price at $400. So we now know that that is where support is. Okay. And we can take it all the way back here to the beginning of the year. So all of this demand that came into Bitcoin Cash from January all the way to May is now erased. So in less than 7 months, almost 8 months of us being in 2021, the value of Bitcoin Cash went from $400 to $1,600 back down to $400. That's amazing. You could have made monumental amounts of money on the way up, and you could have made amounts or huge amounts of profitability on the way down. It's just that crazy. The volatility that's in the cryptocurrency space is monumental. It's wild. So now we're pretty much starting back where we were 7 months ago. So now the question is, where in the world is Bitcoin Cash going to go now? Because the next issue, since we already created support, which is around $400 in the market in Bitcoin Cash, where is restriction? There's two areas that I'm seeing already. This is the first one, okay, which is around $550. This is the second one. It's around $600. Okay, so we have around $550. Okay, to $600. Those are the areas that we would be expecting more selling to occur. See, we can't be caught off guard. That's one thing about when you're into the market. You know, whenever the cryptocurrency space drops 20%, double digits losses, everyone comes out and acts surprised. But for us, we can't be. We got to be forecasters. We got to be predictors in the market, right? So let's take a look at the market in Bitcoin Cash on a 3-day, okay? Because so far it's so good. One thing I don't like is the increase in volume right here on the 3-day time frame in Bitcoin Cash and us closing off the highs. That is not very positive to see that, because it lets us know that there's still some sellers in the market, right? There's still some people in Bitcoin Cash trying to offload their currency, which can pump the brakes of this price continue to go higher. We got to be aware of that. So, because we don't want to get in the way if the market in Bitcoin Cash is no longer going to go higher. We want to stay out the market if you're looking for a price to go higher. Now, if you're looking for a price to go lower, then yeah, this is a very positive sign to see, because it tells us that there's more selling than there were buyers on that last completed 3-day price bar. That's very positive to see that. So let's look at the market on 5-day. And again, the 5-day time frame pretty much gives us the same type of depiction. I really don't see, huge amounts of bullishness in this currency, not yet. And you might see articles, you might see videos of people pumping up Bitcoin Cash just because we saw the market go up 10%. And they're trying to get you to jump in and purchase this currency. And right now, concerning what we got on this current 5-day time frame, there's still some selling there. So we still need to be careful in terms of how high this market in Bitcoin Cash can go, right? Because don't forget, we're in a massive downtrend ever since May. This downtrend is still in play. So the best outcome that we can get in Bitcoin Cash is continued sideways trading, which is why I wanted to show you all that it's very positive that the trap came in and told us that $400 is support right now. So the next thing that we need to see is, okay, since that's support, where will be restriction? Where will be the selling? Either 550 to 600. What do you all think? This is the 2 weeks time frame. Okay, don't see a lot here. I really don't. Now take a look at that. The market has came back and touched this overall long-term trend, because every price bar you see is 2 weeks worth of price action, right? Every price bar. And we started this back in September of 2020, seeing the market in Bitcoin Cash go higher. We came back and confirmed that trend right here. So far so good. The upward momentum from a long-term perspective is still intact. It hasn't been broken, because if this current 2-week price bar, now we still got 5 days left, so we can definitely still close below this overall trend. But right now, it's positive to see us come and bounce off that line. Okay. So now, let me look at the market on the monthly time frame. Yeah, I really don't see nothing here in the market neither for Bitcoin Cash. Okay. The 90-minute chart is giving us some strength there. And this is the thing I don't like. This is the 11-hour time frame. This increase in volume and how that price bar concluded right here lets me know that there's still some sellers here in the market. So yeah, we had a fantastic move off of $400, but now we're still seeing some restriction around $520, $525. That is pushing the price back down. So right now I need to wait. I want to see how low this market is going to go in Bitcoin Cash. Okay, because I'm not really seeing too much out of this currency neither. So I'm going to put a pause on a price prediction into the market in Bitcoin Cash. Not going to do one yet. When you get a lot of indecision, you definitely need to sit back and allow the market to work out the kinks so that you can really see where the market is going to go. Because I'll be the first one to tell you, if I don't see anything, then we won't put a prediction. We won't go into the market. It's too dangerous. All right, so we're not going to put a price prediction into the market of Bitcoin Cash. Now for you, you might see something totally different, which is great, which is fine, which is why you're part of our community. If you see something totally different in terms of where price is going to go in Bitcoin Cash, drop us a comment in the comment section and tell everyone in our community, what do you see? Because right now, I don't see too much going on. I see the market trying to create the next ebbs and flows of the space, trying to find support, trying to find restriction. And until we find that restriction point, we really won't have an idea as to where the market's going to go. Because when the market trades sideways, there's not a lot that you can really make in terms of profitability. Now, if you're a day trader, if you're a scalper, yeah, you can, because you're not playing it on a daily or a further out time frame. You're playing it on like a minute to an hourly basis. But here on a daily, we're not seeing really too much price action in terms of where the market is headed. So we're going to leave it alone. We're not going to go into the store right now. We don't see any deals here. All right. So now you drop us a comment though, if you guys see some prices anticipating higher movement, lower movement, it really doesn't matter. But just tell us, where do you expect the price in Bitcoin Cash to be in the next 3 weeks? So in the next 3 weeks, tell our community, where are you seeing the price go? Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.